Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Simplified Computer Science Concepts by Dr. Rutuja. Today we will be learning about one of the important topics in operating system, that is disk scheduling algorithm. And that too, one of the main important algorithms of disk scheduling algorithm is first come first serve, that is FCFS. So let us start. So FCFS, the name itself suggests that first come first serve. So whatever requests are coming to access a particular track or cylinder of the disk will be served first. So whichever request comes first, that will be served first. So such type of a question would be asked in an exam, wherein suppose a disk having 200 tracks, that means starting from 0 to 199. There is a request sequence of the disk that is given, that means a particular process or maybe a transaction wants to access these particular tracks of the hard disk, that is 82, 170, 43 and so on. The head of that particular disk is at track number 50 and we have to calculate the total distance that the disk arm moves to satisfy pending requests. So how should we do that? First of all, we have to arrange these requests in an ascending order, starting from 0 and then all these requests in an ascending order. Here you will observe we have taken 50 also. Why 50? Because the head starts at 50. 0 because it starts at 0th location, 0th cylinder, and ends at 199 cylinder. So these are important and the rest requests are ascending, arranged in an ascending order. Then this is the timeline that we have drawn. Now how the disk moves, that we have to show and find out the seek time. So as we know that the head starts at 50, that means we will start from 58th position. Which request after that it is taking? It is taking 82. So it will move to 82. After moving to 82, the next request is 170. So from 82 it will move to 170. After moving to 170, the next request in the disk for the disk is 43. So from 170 it will move to 43. Then from 43 the next request is 140. So again it has to come back and move to 140. After 140 it is 24. So it will come to 24. Then after 24 the next request is 16. So it goes to 16. Then after 16 the last request is for 190th track. So now it has gone to 198th track. And this is how all the requests are fulfilled. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the total distance that disk arm moves to satisfy the pending request. So how much the distance this arm has moved. So from here to here, then back here, likewise till the end. So that particular thing is called as seek time. So we will be calculating the seek time. There are two methods to calculate the seek time. Let us see the first method and then we will see the second one. So the first method is that, so see, from 50, the first movement of the disk arm started from 50 to 82. We cannot say that 50 minus 82 because it will be a negative movement. So what we have to do, we have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger one. So that is 82 minus 50. So this is what it is. Then we have to add that with the next movement. What is the next movement? It was from 82 to 170. So 170 minus 82. Then comes the next movement, which is 170 to 43. So that will be 170 minus 43. That will be added to the next movement, which is from 43 to 140. So that is 140 minus 43. The next movement is from 140 to 24. So that will be 140 minus 24. Then is 24 minus 16 and the last movement will be 190 minus 16. So the total of this comes to 642 movements. So the seek time with the first method that we calculated is 642. The second method is a simple one and I prefer using this method because this will not make many mistakes. So see, how do we calculate that? First we have to check the movement in one direction. So it started from 50 and in this the same direction it ended at 170. So simply subtract 170 minus 50. Then we calculate the next movement in the same in the reverse direction. What is the reverse direction? This direction. So it is what? 170 to 43. So it will be adding that means adding this one, that is 170 minus 43. Then the starting position of this movement is 43 and the ending is 140. So again add 140 minus 43. Then from here this particular movement, 140 is the starting point and the ending point is 16. So 140 minus 16. Then from here for this particular movement it is 16 to 119. So we will simply 190 minus 16. Again if you just check this, the answer is 642. So whichever method you follow, the answer is going to come same. But this second method is a simpler one and will is not prone to many errors. So you can go ahead and use that while doing it in the exam. So let us see the merits and demerits of this. So implementation is easy because as and when the requests are coming, we have to just serve that. So there is no chance of starvation. Why there is no chance of starvation? Because as soon as the request is coming, with that sequence only the requests are served. So not a particular track or not a particular request has to wait for long period of time. But the demerit is that the seek time increases because as per the request, maybe one track is at 20, the other track is 190. So there is a lot of head movement from one direction to the other direction. So seek time is going to be increased. And obviously because of that, it is not so efficient. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead. Bye. Take care.